Hello and welcome again to another Stakexchain video. My name is Theophilus Anan, and in this video I'm going to attempt to simplify Stakexchain for all of you. I've seen that a lot of people still do not understand the business properly, and as such I'm going to take this video as an opportunity to simplify the business to everybody. Okay, so let's dive right into it. Now, for you to understand Stakexchain, there are three main parts of Stakexchain. We have the e-commerce part, we have the referral part, and then we have the franchise part. Okay, so that you see that this combination of systems is what makes Xchain a superb system. So let's start with the e-commerce side, just a brief on e-commerce. Okay, now for us to really understand the business, there's this thing that we need to understand about e-commerce. When it comes to e-commerce, okay, there are two main sides. There are two main sides of e-commerce. The first side is the trading side, and for trading is the act of buying low and selling high. Okay, so the act of buying something and then selling it out to somebody at a higher price is trading. Now, in trading always comes with a profit and return of capital. That is one side of e-commerce. The other side of e-commerce is the shopping side. The shopping actually is the act of buying for personal use. Okay, now because you are buying for personal use, shopping doesn't come with profit, but it rather comes with value for the cash you've put in there. So in e-commerce, there are those who are trading, they earn profit and return of capital, and those who are shopping, who only get value for their money put in there. Now, with that in mind, let's see how Stakexchain works. Okay, with the idea of the two sides of e-commerce, let's look at how Stakexchain works. Now, first of all, to simplify it, Stakexchain actually is practicing a profit sharing e-commerce system. So they are basically sharing their profit with their customers. All right, so to break it down a bit further, let's look at this. In Stakexchain, partners are basically shoppers, and hence we do not make any profit normally. All right, once you're a shopper, you are not supposed to make any profit. You only get value for your money. But Stakexchain is saying that out of the profit they make when customers shop, they are generous enough to pay a percentage back to the customers based on their contract package. So for you to know how much you get based on your contract package, look at my other video on Stakexchain business model simplified. Okay, so that is the business module for you. Now basically please note this carefully. In Stakexchain, there is no investment withdrawal. Remember that as a shopper, you don't get return of capital. You are not even supposed to get a profit. But Stakexchain, because they are practicing their profit sharing system, they are giving a percentage back to us just for shopping, which ideally shouldn't happen. So you see that Stakexchain is a very, very wonderful system or business. Okay, now let's look at the referral system. All right, the referral system bonus. Now we've seen the e-commerce side, we now understand the business model, and what it means is that you can come in just as an investor to invest in the e-commerce side. But for all those who are network marketers, the referral side also has bonuses for you. Now for the referral side, we have basically 6 main bonuses, and if you want to understand all these bonuses, you can watch the video on our comp plan, which explains all these things into much more detail for you. So that is about it for the referral side. So we have the e-commerce side where you don't need to refer, then we have the referral side where you get paid basically for referring people. Now the last side of Stakexchain we need to understand is the franchise element. The franchise element is basically the offline side of Stakexchain. So far we've seen the e-commerce, which is online. We've also seen the referral side, which is basically both online and offline. All right, but this is the offline side, which actually takes care of the business. So we have the mentor and the stockist system. Okay, now to simplify it, the mentor is basically in charge of registrations, withdrawals, and business training. So when you want to register, you go through the mentor. If you have money in your system and you want to withdraw it physically, you go through the mentor. Now the mentor is also in charge of training people on the business side of Stakexchain. Then we also have the stockist. The stockist is in charge of product storage. Okay, the company allows people to store products and then distribute products and then train people on how the products work, and the person in charge of that is what we call the stockist. So that is the franchise element of Stakexchain. This is the part where people can actually reach out to the company. These are ambassadors of the company in various countries. Okay, so basically that is it. If you want to know more about Stakexchain, you can visit us at stakexchain.com. All right, remember that this business is still new, and if you want to be part of this revolutionary movement, then contact me as soon as possible so that I can guide you into starting your Stakexchain business. Once again, thanks for watching. I'm going to come your way with more videos very soon, but I hope you enjoyed this and you got some value. You can ask questions, do well to subscribe, comment, suggest anything in the comment section as well, and I'm sure to take a look at it. Okay, all right, have a lovely day.